Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Owned by Jamaican-based Mussons Limited, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings Limited, ASBH, has advised that it has acquired 55% controlling stake in Stansfield Scott Barbados Limited, SSB. SSB is a leading distributor and retailer of wine, spirits, and consumer health products in Barbados. SSB's products include El Dorado and Plantation rums, Glenfiddich whiskey, Stolchana vodka, Banrock Station, Lamothe Parrot wines, Twining teas, Halboranage vitamins, and Endura malt. In addition to its distribution businesses, SSB operates 6 Wine World branded retail stores across Barbados. ASBH has also advised that Brian Cabral, the outgoing chairman of SSB, will retain an ownership interest in the company following the transaction and will remain a director. JN Fund Managers Limited has successfully arranged the execution of a $900 million debt raise for Fosrich Company Limited. Fosrich Company, a leading provider of electrical and lighting solutions, will be using the capital injections to commence operations in Guyana with a particular focus on expanding its service offering in PVC manufacturing, transformer repairs, and solar business. The decision to raise debt capital reflects Fosrich's commitment to capitalizing on growth opportunities in Guyana's burgeoning market while further diversifying its product and service portfolio. Jamaica's export earnings went up 16.9% to US $1.4 billion between January and October 2023, when compared to the similar period in 2022. This was due primarily to a 113.1% increase in the export of crude materials, excluding fuels. Jamaica's 5 main import trading partners for the period were the US, China, Brazil, Japan, and Colombia. Expenditures on imports from these countries increased by 0.5% when compared to the US $3.9 billion recorded in the similar 2022 period. This was due chiefly to higher imports of machinery and transport equipment. The top 5 destinations for Jamaica's exports were the US, Puerto Rico, Latvia, and the Russian Federation and Iceland. Export revenues from these countries increased by 17.1% to US $1.1 billion due to higher exports of alumina. During trading on March 7, 2024, the top advancing stocks covered the energy, finance, and entertainment sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. MPC Caribbean Clean Energy Limited shares advanced by 27.15% for a $23.38 price increase to close at $109.48 with 70 shares traded. JMMB Group Limited 7.15% shares advanced by 9.52% for a 30-cent price increase to close at $3.45 with 8 shares traded. Pulse Investments shares advanced 9.36% for a 16-cent price increase to close at $1.87 with 176,862 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 7, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the energy, distribution, and entertainment sectors. Wigton Wind Farm Limited declined by 15.04% for a 17-cent price drop to close at 96 cents with 561,549,212 shares traded. Blue Power Group Limited declined by 13.93% for a 45 cents price drop to close at $2.78 with 155,951 shares traded. Supreme Ventures Limited declined by 12.08% for a $3.21 price drop to close at $23.36 with 274,000 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, trading activity for March 7, 2024 on the first-tier market registered a volume of 217,724 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at Trinidad and Tobago $1.6 million. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with 115,855 shares, changing hands for a value of Trinidad and Tobago $172,278.98, followed by Massey Holdings Limited with a volume of 53,188 shares being traded for Trinidad and Tobago $233,585.49. Calypso Macro Index Fund was the only active security on the mutual fund market, posting a volume of 4,095 shares valued at Trinidad and Tobago $92,286.14. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 7, 2028, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $14.5 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $13.8 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.11 and bought US dollar for $154.45. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.66, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $6.10 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.82 and bought for $110.72. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $8.80, selling it for $202.57 and buying it for $193.77. For the credit report tip of the day, when thinking about buying a vehicle, consider enlisting the help of a co-signer or joint applicant with stronger credit to bolster your loan application. Their creditworthiness can improve your chances of approval and may even result in more favorable loan terms. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Happy International Women's Day.